Gave it to the dark side. Got some packs to open. Got a fat pack of 2025 Stadium Club. Opened a couple of these a few days ago. Kind of fun. Like the pink cards. Let's see what we got. Decent amount of cards. I guess that's why they call it a fat pack, right? Urban Alvarez. Hey, Griffey Jr. Nice. On the pink, his former teammate, Alex Rodriguez. Nick Kurtz. That's cool. Piazza. Another pink. Nolan Arenado. Pink. Albert Pujols. Very nice. Kind of a cool looking set. Trevor Hoffman. Mookie Betts. Jackson Chourio. Craig Biggio. Lanahan. Jackson Joe. Brian Wu. Joey Votto. Juan Soto. Oh, these are fun. Justin Verlander. Pete Alonso. Very nice. Very cool. 2025 Topps Stadium Fat Pack.